So this house is just under $300,000. It's on the western side of Edmond. It's in Edmond Public Schools. It's got 3-bedroom, 2-bath, around 1,500 square feet. It's in a cute little neighborhood, really easily accessible to a lot of restaurants, shopping. My name is Kinsley. I'm a local realtor in Edmond, Oklahoma and its surrounding areas. Whether you're looking to move in 10 days or 10 months, I'd love to be able to help you with your next purchase. Please don't hesitate to reach out to me. You can give me a call, text, email. You can send me a DM or schedule a Google Meet so that we can get in contact and I can help you on your next move. I just want to kind of take you around in this house and show you a little bit of what you can get for around that $300,000 range in Edmond. This home is fairly new, so as we go through, you'll notice it's got a lot of updated features and some really cool accents that I can't wait to show you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so we start here in the front and you can see that it's kind of got this hallway up to the front door, which I kind of like because it helps with the wind. And then as we come through, we enter into a foyer, which I always appreciate a good foyer because it really helps separate your entrance from your living space. Immediately to the left, you have the garage, which does have a storm shelter. I get asked pretty frequently if houses come with storm shelters, and some do, some don't. It kind of just depends on the house. But then straight this way, we have 2 bedrooms. So we have the first bedroom back here with a nice sized closet, double doors. And you'll notice that throughout this whole house, there is this updated flooring throughout the whole house. And then here we have just kind of the extra bathroom. So tile in the shower, granite countertops, really a cute little bathroom. And then this room I think is super cute. And I believe they had it as an office, but you know, it could be really anything. They put this really cute and funky wallpaper. So let me know in the comments, do you like this? I think it's really cute. I think it would make a really good backdrop for a good YouTube video. And then this also has a really large walk-in closet. And so really nice to have that addition with this, whether it's an office, whether it's a bedroom, whatever it is. And you'll also notice that there's some pretty cool kind of funky light fixtures throughout the house too. So out of here, we're gonna go through the foyer and then go to the living kitchen. But before that, I just wanna kind of pop in here and show you this coat closet, water shut off, good to have kind of there for extra storage. So here we go into the living area. You have this kitchen with hardware installed, really pretty, lots of cabinets. I like how the island is a different color than the rest of the cabinets, kind of creating that distinction. And then over here is the living area. And again, another kind of funky light fixture. And I think it just makes it look really modern. And also this really pretty fireplace wall. It's like a kind of marble looking tile. Really cute, really pretty. So you can kind of see a different view here from the other side of the room as you come through here. And then here we have a little eat-in kitchen. And again, another cute little light fixture. And I really like how they made this a big open window to let in a lot of natural light. And then out here is the outdoor space. And it actually has a fireplace out here, which is really kind of a nice thing. If you're kind of a cool evening and you have, you know, your seating, you can sit here, put on a fire. You also have a gas hookup, so you can put a grill right here and connect your gas line so you don't have to go with propane. And then there's a little bit more kind of flower beds here, and then good size yard, very flat, which is nice. Now we're gonna go back in and I'm gonna show you the master. And I love the different accents that they added in this house. Specifically, I really like this accent wall. So, you know, bed here, you've got another fun light fixture, the ceilings go up, and so yeah, really kind of a nice bedroom. Let me show you from the other side. And again, that flooring is just continuous throughout the whole house. So no carpet to worry about, really easy maintenance. And then from here, we go into the master bathroom. And another thing I love is that it's got this little toilet room, so a lot of privacy here. Then you have a tub with a big window. You've got the double sinks, big mirror, and then you have this walk-in shower here. One thing I like to point out when I see it is that they put the water here, which I appreciate because you don't always want to get in the shower right when you turn it on. So you can turn it on, let it heat up, and you don't have to get in and get wet while that's happening. So I love when they add the over here. And then from here we go into the master closet, and you think this is it, but look, they added that extra level up there, which really just adds a lot of functional space. You have room for dresses, and then that can kind of be like your seasonal wear. So whatever season it's not, you can store it up high. Maybe you have lots of clothes and you need it, you know, that's okay too, but lots of good storage in here. And also it goes straight into the laundry room. So not far to bring your laundry. You have laundry room with cabinets. And then yeah, back here into the foyer. So again, this house is just under $300,000 in Edmond. It's in Edmond Public Schools. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope that you enjoyed the tour. I think it's a really cute, really charming home. And if you're interested in maybe this one or another one in Edmond, and maybe just starting that process of should we move, where should we look, well, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I would love to be able to help you and connect with you and help you on your move. So if you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye-bye.